We have a quick question from Tong, who wants to know how he can use the information we provide inside the financial source terminal specifically for swing trading. So thanks for the question, Tong. When it comes to the terminal, there's really a wealth of information that you can use for really any type of trading style, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading, or even position trading purposes. The first place where I would start if I was predominantly just swing trading in the terminal is in the currency research section. Now, this is where you will find reports such as the fundamental drivers report. You'll also find reports such as the top trading opportunities report. Now, what's great about both of these, in the case of the fundamental drivers report, it goes through exactly what the name implies, gives you the current major fundamental drivers and overall bias over a longer period for the major currencies. Apart from that, we also, like we said, have the top trading opportunities report, which will go through the biggest potential market moving events for the upcoming week. Now, this is helpful from both a swing trading as well as a day trading perspective, because you can use the analysis of upcoming events to plan or manage incoming trade opportunities accordingly, as well as looking for some more medium-term opportunities, especially if the event has the ability or the potential impact to change the overall bias for that particular asset. Now, then after that, we can also go to back to the terminal to the Market Insights tab. Just a great tab where we provide investment bank market insights on particular assets, normally mostly focused towards the major currency pairs. This oftentimes gives great insights into how the banks view the current sentiment as well as the fundamental outlook for major currencies. So definitely a helpful one to watch. Apart from that, we also provide every day the currency or current sentiment drivers report, which basically just goes through the current major market movers and drivers affecting each of the majors. After that, apart from the market insights, we also have the video commentary. That's really the next stop. Now, our videos don't only cover the current short-term drivers, but we'll also include any medium-term or swing trading biases that we hold on any of the major asset classes, whether that is FX, whether it's commodities, whether it's equities. And the great thing about the video content is that it also intertwines the technicals alongside the fundamentals, by not only saying that, okay, we have a medium-term upside bias on the Aussie dollar, for example, but also explaining how, from a technical point of view, we can potentially be looking at taking advantage of that bias in the medium term by looking at levels, potential entries, potential exits, etc. Another good example of this has been the swing trading idea or trade that you've heard us talk about for the last couple of sessions now that we've taken on WTI. We took that trade on the 12th of November, still running, and definitely more of a swing trading position that we're looking to play out over the next couple of weeks. Now, after the videos, of course, there's also the webinars, the daily webinars that we have, which is another great resource, for any day traders and swing traders alike, whether you are looking for a potential day trading opportunity or a swing trading opportunity, any types of questions you have regarding your trading style or upcoming events that you're looking at, or upcoming opportunities that you're looking at. These webinars covers all of those questions in a lot of detail, any questions that you might have, and we'll go through any day trading and swing trading opportunities that we ourselves are looking at the moment as well. Now, the one aspect that traders often associate more with just short-term trading is, of course, the audio squawk and the news feed. And yes, even though it's mostly used by day traders for catching shorter-term market-moving news as quick as possible, I can't say how many times I've taken swing trades on the back of major news hitting the wires, because from your analysis in the terminal, that, okay, this particular announcement is going to be a major market mover. It's going to be a sustainable move that can play out over the next couple of days or next couple of weeks. There's been plenty of times where I've taken those types of swing trades purely based on a news item hitting the wire. So it's not only focused on day trading. It's definitely very applicable and very useful from a more swing trading and even position trading point of view as well. So I think, to sum up, Tong, the information and analysis in the terminal is really applicable for both short-term as well as medium-term traders. And if you have any other questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're definitely here to help and make the information that we have useful as much as possible for any style of trader out there.